Hello, guys. Today we're diving into the heart of English learning. Buckle up because we've got a game changer for you. Something so simple yet incredibly powerful. Ready? It's all about your ears. I can't stress this enough. If you want to speak excellent English, you've got to embrace the magic of listening. It's the key to unlocking fluent English. And today, I'll tell you how and why. Imagine your brain is like a treasure chest. And the key to that treasure is listening. When you listen a lot, you're not just learning words and grammar. You're training your brain to understand English faster and better. It's like a superpower for language learners. Here's the thing. Many of you learned English in school by reading textbooks and memorizing grammar rules. But guess what? Can you speak English fluently? After years of studying grammar books in schools, most English learners can't speak English. Native speakers don't read textbooks to learn to speak English. They learn by listening and listening some more. That's what children do. Children learn to speak by listening to their parents, and they listen to everything. They don't study textbooks to learn to speak. So, if you've been struggling with speaking, it might be because you've been using your eyes more than your ears. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you. The key is to listen, and not just to anything, but to easy and interesting English. Why? Because you want to understand at least 95% without stopping, without needing a dictionary. You should focus on the easy and interesting content for English listening practice. Start with materials like children's programs, teen audiobooks, or even simple children's shows. The goal is to make listening a breeze and keep it enjoyable. After all, learning should be fun, right? And here's a golden opportunity for you. Check out our YouTube channel for daily English conversations and short stories. It's the perfect place for easy and interesting listening practice. Hit that subscribe button. Your English journey is about to get exciting. But wait, there's more. For a deeper dive into listening practice, head over to EnglishEasyPractice.com. We've crafted audio lessons using the listen and answer method. Short stories that make learning a breeze. Download our MP3 audio lessons with PDF text, and you can start listening practice right now. These lessons are designed to make your learning journey not just effective but also enjoyable. It's like having a language buddy with you, guiding you through the wonders of English. Visit EnglishEasyPractice.com and kickstart your listening adventure. There you have it, language learners. Embrace the power of your ears. Dive into easy and interesting materials. Happy listening and happy learning!
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future.
Hey, Dave, how's it going?
Hey, Sarah. Well, you know me, not much of a morning person. I always wake up on the wrong side of the bed.
Yeah, I've noticed that about you. I'm the opposite. I love mornings, so full of energy.
Lucky you. Mornings are just a struggle for me. I wish I could be more like you.
Don't worry, Dave. We all have our own rhythms. I've been trying to become a morning person for a while now, but it's not easy. How can I help you enjoy mornings more?
Maybe we can start by grabbing a cup of coffee together in the morning. That might give me the boost I need.
That's a good idea. We can chat and sip our coffee. It might make your mornings a bit better.
Yeah, and who knows? Maybe spending some time with a morning person like you will rub off on me.
I hope so. But if not, no pressure. We can enjoy our coffee and chat no matter what.
Thanks, Sarah. You're a good friend.
Anytime, Dave. Friends help each other out. Hey, Mike, how's it going?
Hey, Emily. I'm good, thanks. I've been trying to improve my English, you know.
Awesome. You're in the right place. So how's it going so far?
Yeah, I've been thinking. I'm reading my textbooks a lot. I know my grammar and my English grades are good, but I still struggle to speak fluently. It's like I hit a wall.
I get it. Speaking is a whole different game. But you're not alone. Many students face this. So let me spill the secret. It's all about listening.
Listening? Really?
Absolutely. Listening is the key to speaking excellent English. It's like magic for your language skills.
But I learned English in school with textbooks.
Yeah, that's the thing. In school, we use our eyes a lot. But to speak like a native, you gotta use your ears more. Listen, listen, listen.
So what should I listen to?
Easy and interesting stuff. Children's programs, teen audio books, and even simple shows. You want to understand at least 95% without a dictionary.
Sounds doable. And hey, do you have any recommendations?
Absolutely. Check out the English Easy Practice YouTube channel. They've got daily English conversations and short stories. Perfect for your listening practice.
That sounds great. I'll definitely subscribe.
Awesome! And for a bit more, head over to EnglishEasyPractice.com. They've got audio lessons using the listen and answer method. Download the short story lessons and start listening to them every day.
Nice! I'll check it out.
Perfect, Mike. Happy listening and happy learning. You got this.
Thanks, Emily. I'll see you around.